guys, for today's video, magluluto na naman ako ng zucchini. Kakaibang recipe na naman ito. So, ayan guys, slice nyo lang yung cheese at saka ham. Or pwede rin gumamit kayo ng bacon. Ayan, zucchini guys. Tapos lagyan nyo ng ham. This is cheese. Tapos i-roll nyo guys. Roll it. After nyo ma-roll guys, i-lock nyo siya with toothpick. So, ganito na siya guys. Ready na siya guys. Flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. Malinis naman yung kamay ko guys. So, okay lang. Ako naman kakain yan. So, ayan lang. And breadcrumbs. Ayan na guys. Ready na siya for frying. Ayan. Now it's done. My zucchini with ham and cheese. Ayan guys, luto na siya. Happy tummy everyone.